class. So first we have to know what are the different types of logarithm. Basically, logarithm is divided into two types and they are common logarithms and natural logarithms. Common logarithm means a logarithm with base 10. If it is having base 10, then it is known as common logarithm. We already know that suppose if I am going to consider log a to the base b, a indicates argument and b indicates base. Suppose if this base is equal to 10, then we can call it as common logarithm. I am going to write directly log of a. I am not going to write any base. That is understood, it is having base 10. If the base is 10, then we can call it as a common logarithm. If I am not going to write any base, it is understood this is also common logarithm. Right? And the second type of logarithm is natural logarithm. A logarithm with base e. If the base is e, then we can call it as natural logarithm. Here, e indicates a scientific constant just like a pi value. Pi means 22/7. Likewise, e is having the value 2.71828. If the base is e, then we can call it as natural logarithms. So there are two types of logarithms, common logarithm and natural logarithm. Common logarithm is having base 10, natural logarithm is having base e. Is it clear? Now you can see this is a log table. So here this column, you can observe this column. This vertical column, first vertical column, we are going to call it as main column. This is the main column. And then here you can observe the rows 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9 numbers 0 to 9. So this is called difference column. Difference column. And the last column here it is given, this is mean difference. Main column, difference column and mean difference. This is the log table and it starts with the number 10. Is it clear? Now we can study how to use this log table. Here we have the number up to 54. After that you can see here it starts with 55 up to 99. Now I will give you an example. Suppose if I am going to consider the number log of 1, 2, 3, 4. So this value we have to find using a log table. Remember, in a log table, we can use maximum 4 digits. We can use 4 digits number. Maximum number we have to use is 4 digit. Here I had given 4 digit number. What is the number? Log of 1, 2, 3, 4. This number is given. We have to find its value using log table. Now I will tell you how to use the log table. Now you can observe how many digits are there in the given problem. There are totally 4 digits. How many digits are there here? There are totally 4 digits. Now the first point is, so 4 digits are there in the given problem. So 4 minus 1 is how much? How many digits are there? With that we have to make it minus 1. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. Right? I am going to write 3 point. So this is called characteristic. What it is? Characteristic. There are 4 digits. 4 minus 1 is 3. Suppose if the given problem is log of 540. How many digits are there here? There are 3 digits. 3 minus 1 is 2 point. This 2 is called characteristic. Suppose the number is simply log of 20. How many digits are there here? There are 2 digits. 2 minus 1 will be 1 point. So this is characteristic. Characteristic is always on the left side of the decimal point. Here this is the decimal point. On the left side of the decimal point we can call it as characteristic. How to find the characteristic? The number of digit minus 1. 4 digit minus 1. If there are 3 digit, it should be minus 1. So this is called characteristic. Now observe the number. There are 4 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I am going to write first 2 digit 12, third digit is 3, fourth digit is 4. I am going to write first 2 digit 12, third digit 3, fourth digit is 4. Now the first 2 digits we have to observe in the main column. So where we have to see this number? The number 12 we have to observe in the main column from the log table. So, and the third digit is 3. We have to observe this number 3 from the difference column. And the fourth digit we have to observe in the mean difference column. See here, there are totally 4 digits. 4 minus 1 is 3. This 3 we can call it as characteristic, which is always left side of this decimal point. Now we have to find the log of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1234. The first 2 digit is 12. We have to see this number from the main column. Third digit we have to see from the difference column, and the last digit is 4. We have to observe from the mean difference column. Now we can go to the log table. First we have to go for 12 and 3. So where is the number 12? Number 12 is here. This is number 12 from the main column. Then third digit is 3. Where is 3 here? Here you can observe 3 number from the difference column. This is 3. Here we have to observe 12, 3. You can see here 12 and this is 3. So we can get this number. You can observe 12 we have to take from main column. 3 we have to consider from difference column. So the answer is how much now? You can see here 12 at 3 is how much? 0899. So now we can write that number here. 12 at 3 is how much? 0899. So this is what we observed 12 at 3. Now 12 at 4 we have to observe, means fourth digit. So 12 at 4 we have to observe from the mean difference. Now again we can go to the log table. 12 at 4. 4 we have to observe from mean difference. Here is the mean difference. This is the number 4. So this number 4 at 12. At 12 means here we can get the number is 14. So this is at 12. So 12 we can get the number 14. Now we can go to the value. 12 at 3 is 0899. 12 at 4 is how much? 14. We have to add this number. 0899 plus 14. We can get, this will be 13. This will be 11. 819 and remaining is 0. How much number we got now? 0913. Now I am going to write this number here. What is the number? 0913. So this 0913 is called mantissa. What it is? Mantissa. Characteristic is always on the left side of the decimal point. Mantissa is always on the right side of the decimal point. See, the question is log of 1234 is equal to, what is the final answer? 3.0913. So this 3 is called characteristics and this 0913 is called mantissa. Characteristic is always on left side of decimal point and mantissa is always on right side of decimal point. And this point is what? This is decimal point. Is it clear? So in this way, we have to use log table to find the given number. I will explain you once again. The number is given log of 1234. Totally there are 4 digits. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3.3 is called characteristic. Now we have to find mantissa. That means first 2 digits we have to observe in main column. And 3 means third digit we have to observe in the difference column. So that number is how much? 0899. Then the same 12 digit means 12 number we have to observe in the mean difference column. So that gives 14. We have to add these two numbers. We got the final answer 0913 and we have to write it here. So 3.0913 is the answer. Here 3 is called characteristic and 0.913 is called mantissa. Is it clear? Now I will give you one more example. You can try to solve this example. The number is log of 5678. Can you find its value? Log of 5678. Now tell me how many digits are there? 4 digits. How to find the characteristic? 4 minus 1 will be 3. So 3 point. Next we have to observe 56 at 7 means at a difference column and 56 at 8 means mean difference column. This is difference column but this is mean difference column. Now again we can go to the log table. So the value is 56 at 7. 56 is here. Can you see this number? 56. 56 we have to observe at difference is 7. 56 at 7. Now you can observe clearly. 56 at 7. Right. 56 is here. We can go directly on the horizontal line and 7 is here. So we can get the answer 7536. 7536. See here. What is the number? 7536. This is the number. Now similarly 56 at 7 we observe. We can write the number 7536. The number is how much? 7536. Now the same number 56 we have to observe in the mean difference column is 8. 56 at 8. 56 is here. 8 in the mean difference column is here. So we have the number 6. In the horizontal direction you can go from 56 at 8. In the mean difference column we have the number 6. You can see here properly, you can observe. So it has the number 6. We can write it here. This is 6. We have to add these two numbers. What we can get? 6 plus 6 will be 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. Remaining is 5 and this is 7. What is the answer of mantissa? 7542. This is the answer. 3.7542. Is it clear? The answer is 3.7542. Here 3 is called characteristic. 7542 is mantissa. Right? Now I am going to write log of 1234. We already got the value. What is the answer? 1234. We got 3.0913. We already solved it. Similarly, I am going to write one more problem. Log of 123.4. Suppose next problem will be like this, log of 12.34 or a log of, the problem may be 1.234 or I can use one more problem here, log of 0.1234. We know log of 1234 value is 3.0913. There are 4 digits, 4 minus 1 is 3. Similarly, how to find the value of second problem? The number is 123.4. So the left side of the decimal point is called characteristic. The left side of the decimal point is called characteristic. This is characteristic and this is mantissa. Right? Now we can observe the left side of the decimal point. This is characteristic. How many digits are there on the left side of the decimal point? There are 3 digits. 3 minus 1 will be how much? 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 point. Here also you can observe how many digits are there before decimal point or on the left side. That is 2 digits. 2 minus 1 is 1 point. Here, how many digits are there before the decimal point? Only one digit. 1 minus 1 is 0 point. Here, there are no digits. So, there is a digit like a 0. That means there are no digits on the left side of the decimal point. So, 0 minus 1, we can get minus 1 point. If there are 4 digits, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. If there is no numbers, means that indicates 1, 2, 3, 4.000 or 1234. 4 digit means characteristic will be 3. If there are 3 digits, characteristic will be 2. If there are 2 digits, characteristic will be 1. If there is a 1 digit, then characteristic will be 0. If there is a 0 digit, then 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. So these all are the characteristics which are on the left side of the decimal point. Now, remaining part is the same again. Again there are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. We already wrote characteristics here. Now we have to find the mantissa. How to find mantissa? We already know that. The first 2 digits are 12 and the third digit is 3. We have to observe in the difference column. Then again the same number 12 we have to observe at mean difference, that is number 4. 12 at 3, 12 at 4. Again we can get the same answer, that is 0.913. Here also the same procedure. 12 we have to observe at 3. Again 12 we have to observe at 4. Again we can get the same answer, 0913. Here also we can get 0913 because here also 12 at 3, 12 at 4. Here also we can get the same answer, that is 0913. That indicates mantissa remains the same, only characteristic is changing because of the digits on the left side of decimal point. Is it clear? In this way we have to use log table. Right? Now I am going to give you one more number, log of 152. There are no 4 digits here, only 3 digits I had given, 152. That means it can be written as log of 152.0. Both are same here. So now how many digits are there on the left side? 3 digits. 3 minus 1 will be 2. 2 point. Now the second step, 15 at 2 we have to observe. There is no 4th digit. Only there are 3 digits here. If the 4th digit is absent, then don't go for mean difference. Directly you can observe 15 at 2. Now observe the log table. 15 is here. 15 at 2. 2 is here means we have this number 18 and 18. 15 at 2. We got 1818. We can write there. The number we got 1818. There is no 4th digit. Then don't go for mean difference because there is no 4th digit. So this is the answer, 2.1818. Now suppose the problem is given like this, log of 1.52. Now tell me the answer. Directly we can write 1 minus 1 is 0, 0.152. That means 15 at 2. Again we have the same number, 1818. Suppose the number will be like this, log of 46. There are no 3 digits, only 2 digits are given, log of 46. How you are going to find its value? Log of 46 means I can write it as log of 46.0. There are 2 digits before decimal point, 2 minus 1 will be 1 point. Now, how to find the mantissa? There are only 2 digits, 46. So here 46 we have to take at 0 in the difference column. Where is the 46 number? Here this is 46 at 0. Means here only we can get 46 at 0. We got 6628. See, this is 6628. We can write there 6628. If the problem is log of 5. How we are going to find its value? There is only one digit, log 5. I can write it as log of 5.00 or 5.0. How many digits are there? Only one digit. 1 minus 1 will be 0 point. Then, what are the first two digits? 50. So, we have to observe 50 at 0. If only one digit is given, we have to observe at 0 in the difference column. 50 at 0. Come to the log table. 50 is here. At 0 means we got this number 6990. 50 at 0 is how much? 6990. I can write here 6990. This is the answer. Right? Okay. I am going to write some more examples. You can observe. Log of 506. Try to solve this one. Second one, log of 7210. Third one, log of 8. Fourth one, log of 8600. Fifth one, log of, I am going to write simply 65. How we are going to find their value? See here the first one, log of 506. 3 digit, 3 minus 1 will be 2 point. Second one, first we can write the characteristics of all the 5 problems. There are 4 digits in the second problem. Characteristic will be 4 minus 1 will be 3 point. In the third problem, log of 8, only one digit, 1 minus 1 is 0 point. Then, fourth problem, there are 4 digits, 8600. 4 digits means 4 minus 1 will be 3 point. And in the last problem, log of 65, 2 digits, 2 minus 1 will be 1 point. Now, we can go to the log table to find mantissa. In the first problem, how to find mantissa? 50 at 6. 50 is here at 6, means 6 is here in the difference column. So, we can take 50 at 6. We got this number 7042. 50 at 6, we got 7042. 7042. 50 at 6. There is no fourth digit. Don't go for main difference. Leave it. This is the final answer. Now, second problem. There are 4 digits. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 is the characteristic. So, first we have to observe 72 at 1 using log table. 72 at 1. 72 is here. 1 in the difference column is here. We can take vertical and here it is horizontal. So, we got the number 8579. 72 at 1 is 8579. We can write here. What is the number? 8579. Then, there is a fourth digit. 72 we can observe at 0 in the mean difference. 72 at 0. 72 is here at 0 in the mean difference column. So, in the mean difference, there is no digit like a 0. Then leave it. So, what is the final answer? We can write 8579. Because fourth digit is 0. There is no 0 in the mean difference. Leave it. So, the final answer is 3.8579. Now, come to the third problem. Log of 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 0 is the characteristic. So, 8, how to observe it here? We can take it as 8.00. 80 at 0 we have to observe in the log table. 80 at 0. 80 is here. 0 in the difference column is here. 80 at 0 will be how much? 9031. I am going to write here 9031. Then next one. There are 4 digits. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3.86 at 0 we can observe because there is no 0 in the mean difference. Leave it. The fourth digit you can leave it because there is no 0 in the mean difference. Simply we can observe 86 at 0. 86 is here at 0 means we can write the answer 9345. 9345. Then 86 at 0 in the mean difference column. Because there is no 0 in the mean difference, leave it. Then last one, log of 65. There are two digits. 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 point. So, we can observe 65.00. 65 at 0 we have to observe. in this tabular column 65 is here, 65 at 0 means I can write 8129. 8129. So these are the some examples that gives how to use log table.